Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am once again back with the OMT 55w laser. Friends, I've had some people asking questions. I've got some tips. So let's get cracking. So my friends, two quick things I want to cover. Somebody asked about the tube. They had to replace theirs and now they're having trouble with alignment. I'm not going to tear mine apart because it's working great, but I am going to try and zoom in, get you some high quality footage so you can see how everything's lined up, set up so if you're trying to fix that, you're going to be more successful. The second thing is there is a warning you can get and it won't let you cut. I'm going to show you how that showed up on my laser and maybe that'll help you fix it. So let's take a look under the hood. All right, friends, I don't have mine powered on, but I'm going to show you that this is the sensor that is most likely causing the issue. It could either be faulty or your lid could not be completely closed. So I use all these magnets, and then one time I had a magnet up here just enough so that it caught it. I didn't notice when I closed it, and that's all it took to trip that sensor. I wasted about 5 minutes looking over at the computer before I finally figured it out. It was simple as could not close completely. Alrighty, so looking in here, I'm just giving you details of what it looks like up close. I'm not sure I've ever done this, and I definitely have not done it with the new iPhone 12. We can also see here the adjustments, the little pins. I have not had to mess with those at all, but that is how you would adjust your mirrors. If you look back in that hole, you can see the mirror where it's shooting off the tube originally to come through and hit these two. Alrighty, friends, so here we are in the back, trying to get you a look at the tube and that first mirror that is to your right. Once again, you can see your little adjustment knobs. And let's get you a good look at this side as well. And hopefully these images help you figure out what is wrong with your laser. Alrighty, friends, so hopefully that helps you out. Clear pictures, maybe a little bit more zoomed in, maybe a little higher quality since I had lighting and the iPhone 12. Friends, also, if you have more questions that you can't answer in the comments, you can also reach out at Gmail. I am HLModTech on Gmail, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video or found it useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.